What's the biggest piece of advice you could give to them?
So my advice is you have to put in the effort. So the way Colaberry is set up is that it brings out the potentials in you. That means you can actually do that thing, but you really need to put in your own effort. They talked about the 10 to 15 hours out of the class. You need to really put in that effort and just keep on, because what you are learning in Colaberry, by the time you get to your workplace, in fact, you'll be quite very good at workplace that, the role, like, for instance, now my boss is not around and it's like, I'm just in charge of the data team, and somebody that just came in 6 months ago and I'm actually in charge of data team, and, what the value I'm delivering to the business is quite, beyond what they are expecting. So Colaberry gave that platform. And so I would just advise anyone to, stick to the curriculum, to the plan, do your assignments, be good at your own space, get over the class and work on your projects, your communication skills, and it's gonna really be helpful.